Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Amazon Flex app for delivery. Alright, so let's begin. So once you've downloaded the Amazon Flex app, you're going to have to sign up as an Amazon Flex driver. When you're ready, just tap and create an account at the bottom of your app screen. Then log in with an existing account or submit your name, email address, and preferred password in order to create another one. Now, how to schedule Amazon Flex delivery apps. As soon as you're fully approved and log into the Amazon Flex app, you'll be able to use the platform to schedule your first delivery blocks. These are work shifts that run between 2 to 6 hours long and are available all 7 days of the week. Flex drivers are required to book available blocks in advance to be able to deliver and earn, since it's not a fully on-demand platform. To schedule delivery blocks, just head to the offer section of your app and tap on the blocks you want, then swipe to accept. Before you do so, the app will allow you to review block date, the city, and your estimated pay. You can also filter shifts based on your availability. When you accept a delivery block, it will appear in the calendar section of the Amazon Flex app. Completing deliveries on the Amazon Flex app. There is a lot of info here. You can just go ahead and pause the video in order to actually read this. Again, it's the exact process that you'll be doing if you want to become an Amazon Flex delivery driver. So that's basically how you can use the Amazon Flex app for delivery. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.